Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to Wi-Fi. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Govee Floor Lamp Pro and you want to be able to control it via Wi-Fi or your phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now there's multiple steps needed before we begin. The first step is that you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and also that your Wi-Fi network is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Afterwards, go into the App Store and download the Govee Home App, register for an account, and then go ahead and log in. After you have those steps set up, click onto the Govee Home App, and at this point, connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to the wall outlet and turn it on. You should see it initially turn into rainbow colors and then stay a solid color. Afterwards, click on the plus icon on the upper right hand corner, and it's automatically going to scan for nearby devices. It should automatically find your Govee Floor Lamp Pro, so click on Add, and then from here, you want to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. So give your device a name, so we're going to call it Floor Lamp Pro, click on Done, and then this is where it was very important that you set up or connected to the Wi-Fi before. It should automatically input the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi information here. So click on Done, and then after a couple of seconds, you should see that your Wi-Fi has been successfully connected. So there you have it, our Wi-Fi connection has been successful. Afterwards, there you go. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to the Wi-Fi. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.